This is a Staccato XL. Absolutely beautiful. Got the SRO on it, and damn, look how smooth that bad boy is. Oh my god. That's insane. Okay.
Mississippi Queen, you know what I mean. Mississippi Queen, she taught
That
me
is insane. 8 shots in 2 seconds.